Welcome guys to the Crochet Beats channel. In this video tutorial I want to show you how to make this beautiful and super easy crochet butterfly. It is perfect as decoration for your crochet phone bag, hat, hair clips or any project that need a touch of color. We will start this butterfly by crocheting two simple semicircles, the same pattern I already shared on my blog. And for this tutorial, you will need any basic yarn. Today I'm using a 2.5 millimeters crochet hook and the yarn I have leftovers. So it's a cotton fair, 52% of cotton and 48 of acrylic. And it is fine yarn number 2. So looks like this. So grab your yarn and hook and let's get started. Start with slip knot and do not tighten this slip knot. We count it as a first chain and then 3 more chains, in total chain 4. Now make 2 single crochet into the second chain from hook, then 2 single crochet into the next chain and 2 single crochet into the last chain. Pull and you see there will be no hole. Chain 1, turn. Make single crochet into the next stitch, then 2 single crochet. And repeat 3 times in total. 1 single crochet in next stitch, 2 single crochet. And again 1 single crochet and 2 single crochet into the last stitch. Chain 1 and row number 3. Turn. Single crochet in next 2 stitches, then 2 single crochet into the third. Increase here. And repeat in total 3 times. 1 single crochet in next 2 stitches, then 2 single crochet. Single crochet, and then 2. And again, single crochet, 2 single crochet. Chain 1 and turn. Now 1 single crochet in next 3 stitches, then increase and repeat 3 times. 1, 2, 3, and then 2 single crochet. And repeat again. 1, 2, 3, and then 2 single crochet. And for the last time, 1, 2, 3, and increase. Great. There will be in total 2 semicircles. One is bigger, one is smaller. For the smaller, you stop at this point. So the blue one is a smaller one, so you stop at this point and make the border right after the row number 4. For the bigger semicircle, I'm going to add one more row, so chain 1 and 1 single crochet in next 4 stitches and then increase, and repeat in total 3 times. And then increase and repeat 1 single crochet in next 4 stitches, then 2 single crochet, and for the last time and 2 single crochet here. And the last row, the curly edge, chain 2, turn and work not here but into the next stitch. Make a slip stitch and repeat chain 2, slip stitch into the next stitch, chain 2, slip stitch into the next stitch, chain 2, slip stitch, chain 2, slip stitch, chain 2, slip stitch till the end. Slip stitch, chain 2, slip stitch, chain 2 and slip stitch. Cut the yarn. Now please weave in all tails. Take the yarn needle, it's a little bit too thick. And the second tail. Cut. Now repeat everything for the smaller semicircle. It has one row less than the bigger one, so you need to stop after row number 4 and make the curly edge, while the bigger one has 5 rows. Now join these 2 semicircles in this way. Fold from on one side and from another side. Here it is. Shape a little bit. Take the white color or any other color you want and leave a tail at the beginning. After that, wrap the yarn in the center as many times as you want. So, like this. Cut the yarn again, leaving a tail and make a knot. Also, you may use those tails to attach your butterfly later to your project. Let's shape it. And look at this beautiful butterfly. Amazing. Great. One more knot. I will cut it. I don't need it. And for antennas, start with slip knot and chain. I don't know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Cut. Pull tight, and here pull tight. And underneath, pull the chain and make them stick this way. You can add a drop of glue or just cut it and hope it will not unravel. That's it. Look at this butterfly. Just adorable. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial with me. I hope you enjoyed it. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to like this video. If you are looking for written instructions, you can find it on my blog. Please check link down. I wish you all a good day and see you soon. Bye.